In the Make AI Agent configuration pop-up, click Add Tools. Module. Select the module tool, then Create Module Tool, and select Gmail in the app search. Then send an email. Again, you can give it a name and description. I'll just leave it as it is. Then click Create a Connection. Then click Sign in with Google. And follow the prompts. Once you're all connected, scroll down, and for the To field, check the box to let the AI agent decide. Let the AI agent decide the subject. Change the body type from Collection of Contents to Raw HTML, and then check the box to let the AI agent decide the content. Finally, click Add. Now when I click Add here, it doesn't take, and if we scroll to the top you can see why. There's an error. It says maximum number of active scenarios has been exceeded. In Make, on the free plan, you can only have 2 active scenarios. Now you might say, well, we haven't activated any scenarios yet. That's because each module inside of the AI agent counts as an active on-demand scenario. It's technically a little mini scenario that the agent can run whenever it needs to. So in order to finish our work and save this module, we'll need to sign up for a paid account. Without closing this tab, on the left side, right-click on the Org button and click Open Link in New Tab. Then in the white menu on the left side, click Subscription. Scroll down to Compare Plans and upgrade to at least the core plan. Once you've done that, you'll get a confirmation saying your plan was successfully changed. Great, we're now in the core plan. Let's get back to work. We'll close out this tab, and then in our Open Add Module tool for Gmail, let's click Add. And there we go.